Have you ever noticed how fields change from golden wheat to bright yellow oilseed rape or deep green potatoes from year to year? These vibrant transformations are not just a feast for the eyes, but a testament to the age-old wisdom of agriculture. This is no accident. It's a deliberate, ancient practice called crop rotation. For centuries, farmers have understood the importance of giving their land a break from the same demands. Wise farmers know they can't ask the same thing of their land every year. The soil needs variety to stay healthy. By rotating crops, they ensure that the soil remains fertile and full of the nutrients necessary for robust plant growth. Planting the same crop repeatedly, known as monoculture, drains the soil and invites problems. Pests and diseases become more prevalent, and the land becomes less productive over time. Instead, farmers rotate crops, listening to what the soil needs and responding with care. This practice not only helps in maintaining soil health, but also in managing pests and diseases naturally. Imagine your own garden. You wouldn't plant beans in the same spot every year, or the soil would tire and pests would thrive. The same principle applies on a much larger scale in farming. On a larger scale, farmers use this wisdom to protect their land and our food. By rotating crops, they create a balanced ecosystem that supports diverse plant life and healthy soil. This annual shuffle is key to sustainable farming and environmental health. It reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides, making farming more eco-friendly. Every new crop is part of a long-term plan that honors nature's rhythms. Farmers work in harmony with the seasons, understanding that each crop has its own role to play in the health of the land. Crop rotation keeps soil rich and productive, ensuring the land can provide for generations. It's a practice that respects the earth and its natural cycles. It's a testament to the deep connection between farmers and their land. This relationship is built on respect, knowledge, and a commitment to sustainability, ensuring that the land remains bountiful for future generations. Crop rotation is a time-tested farming practice that involves planting different types of crops in the same field, but in a carefully planned sequence over several seasons. Instead of growing the same crop year after year, farmers switch things up, following a schedule that helps the land stay healthy and productive. For example, a farmer might plant corn one year, soybeans the next, then rotate to alfalfa and later to wheat, creating a cycle that repeats over time. Each crop is chosen not just for its market value, but for what it takes from and gives back to the soil. Some crops, like legumes, actually add nutrients such as nitrogen, while others may use up certain minerals. When the same crop is grown repeatedly, it drains specific nutrients from the soil, much like a battery losing its charge after repeated use. By rotating crops, farmers introduce a variety of root structures and nutrient needs, which helps the soil recover and stay fertile. This diversity also encourages beneficial soil organisms and improves soil texture. Some crops, like deep-rooted plants, break up compacted soil layers, making it easier for water and air to reach plant roots. Others, with dense root systems, help bind the topsoil, reducing erosion from wind and rain and keeping valuable nutrients in place. This mix of crops keeps the soil structure strong, maintains a healthy balance of nutrients, and supports a thriving ecosystem underground. Crop rotation also helps break the life cycles of pests and diseases that target specific plants, making it much harder for these problems to build up and threaten future harvests. As a result, farmers can often use fewer pesticides and chemicals, which is better for the environment and for the people who eat the food. Crop rotation is a holistic, sustainable approach that helps farms stay productive and resilient, supporting families and communities for generations to come. Ultimately, it's a commitment to the long-term health of the land, ensuring that future generations can continue to grow food and thrive rather than focusing only on short-term gains. Healthy soil is a living ecosystem, teeming with billions of organisms in every teaspoon. These microbes break down organic matter, recycle nutrients, and create structure for air and water. Crop rotation encourages a diverse, thriving soil community. Planting the same crop year after year unbalances this ecosystem, making soil less resilient. Rotating crops introduces different roots and organic matter, feeding a wider range of soil life. Deep-rooted plants break up compacted soil, while shallow-rooted crops bind the topsoil. This interplay improves soil structure, water retention, and nutrient cycling. A farmer practicing rotation is truly a soil gardener, cultivating the foundation of life. Crop rotation is a natural way to manage pests and diseases. Many pests and pathogens specialize in one crop, waiting in the soil for their favorite food. By switching crops, farmers break these cycles. Pests emerge to find their food source gone. Diseases that linger in the soil lose their hosts when a different crop is planted. Over time, pest and disease populations decline naturally. This proactive approach reduces the need for chemical sprays. It's an elegant, ecological solution that keeps farms healthier. Sometimes, the simplest strategies, rooted in nature, are the most effective. Soil fertility isn't just about adding fertilizer, it's about managing a living nutrient cycle. Different crops have different appetites. Some are heavy feeders, others replenish the soil. Legumes like beans, peas, and clover are natural nitrogen fixers, turning air into plant food. Including legumes in rotation deposits nitrogen into the soil, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizer. After a heavy feeding crop like corn, planting soybeans replenishes the soil's nitrogen. Cover crops like rye or vetch are grown to be tilled back in, adding organic matter and nutrients. This natural cycling keeps soil fertile and self-sustaining. Crop rotation is the cornerstone of a productive living soil. Corn and beans are a classic crop rotation duo used for centuries. Corn is a heavy nitrogen feeder, quickly depleting soil if grown alone. Beans, especially soybeans, are legumes that add nitrogen back into the soil. After a year of corn, planting beans recharges the soil's nutrients. This cycle means less need for synthetic fertilizer and healthier soil. The rotation also breaks pest cycles and improves soil structure. It's a simple, powerful partnership that sustains both the land and the farmer. The dance of corn and beans is a model of sustainable agriculture. Crop rotation lets farmers use fewer synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. Nitrogen-fixing crops like clover and soybeans naturally enrich the soil, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. Rotating crops disrupts pest and disease cycles, so fewer pesticides are needed. This protects pollinators and beneficial insects, and prevents chemical resistance. Less chemical use means cleaner water and healthier ecosystems. Farmers save money and create more resilient farms. Crop rotation blends traditional wisdom with modern science for smarter agriculture. It's a step toward a healthier, more sustainable food system. Crop rotation is a triple win for farmers, soil, and the planet. By changing what's grown in each field season after season, farmers can break pest cycles, reduce disease, and keep their land productive for generations. This simple practice has a ripple effect, creating benefits that go far beyond the farm gate. Farmers benefit from lower costs, healthier soil, and more reliable yields. With fewer pests and diseases, they need less fertilizer and fewer pesticides, saving money and time. Their crops are stronger and harvests are more consistent, even when the weather is unpredictable. Healthy soil means better water retention, less erosion, and resilience to weather extremes. When soil is rich and alive, it acts like a sponge, holding on to water during droughts and preventing runoff during heavy rains. This keeps nutrients in the ground, where plants need them most. Crop rotation builds organic matter and supports diverse soil life. Earthworms, microbes, and insects all thrive, creating a living network underground that helps plants grow stronger and healthier. For the environment, less chemical use protects water and wildlife. Streams stay cleaner, pollinators and birds return, and wildflowers flourish at the edges of fields, supporting a vibrant ecosystem. Rotated soils store more carbon, helping fight climate change. By locking carbon in the ground, these fields become part of the solution, not the problem, in our changing world. This method supports a cleaner environment and a stronger food system. Local markets thrive with fresh, healthy produce, and communities benefit from food grown in harmony with nature. Working with nature, not against it, brings the best results for all. When farmers respect natural cycles, they create farms that are more productive, beautiful, and sustainable for the future. Crop rotation regenerates the land, making it richer and more fertile over time. Fields that once struggled can become lush and full of life again, supporting both people and wildlife. What's good for the land is good for us all. When we care for our soil and our farmers, we build a healthier, more resilient world for future generations. Next time you see a patchwork of crops, recognize the wisdom behind it. Crop rotation is a sign of careful planning and respect for the land. It bridges the gap between farm and table, reminding us food comes from living soil. Farmers are stewards, making choices that affect our environment and food quality. The principles of rotation, diversity, rest, and renewal are lessons for us all. Just as fields need replenishing, so does our planet. By rotating crops, farmers commit to a healthier future for everyone. The health of our plates truly begins with the health of the farmer's field.